Chapter number 7, page number 44 in your textbook. Chapter number 7, the food we eat. Air, water and food are essential for our life. We get air and water from nature, but we have to produce food. What we produce and what we eat depends upon the soil and climate. Every plant cannot be grown everywhere. Different plants need different temperatures and different types of soils. Their water requirement is also different. India is India is a vast country. It has different types of soils and climate. The amount of rainfall is also different. The result is that there is a variety of food items in our country. Fact, we have the following types of soils in India: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, and mountainous soil and desert soil. Food crops of India. The two most important staple food in India are rice and wheat. Rice is grown in hot areas. It needs more water. It also needs high temperature. It is grown almost in all areas of India, but it is grown mainly in eastern and southern parts of India. Therefore, rice is commonly eaten in West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Locate these coastal states or areas in the map. These areas are along the sea coast. The main food of the people of these states is rice and fish. The main item is made of rice are dosa, idli and vada. Rice cultivating areas of India. Okay. Page number 45. Next page. Wheat. Wheat is a winter crop. It needs less water. People of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat and Rajasthan grow wheat. The main food items prepared with the wheat flour are roti, parathas, puri and bread. Punjab is a leading in the production of wheat in India. Jowar. It is the third most important crop. It is commonly grown in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Maharashtra is the largest producer of jowar. Page number 46. Turn over the page number 46. Bajra. It is eaten in Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. Rajasthan is the largest producer of bajra. Ragi. It is the food of the people of Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand and Arunachal Pradesh. Maize. It is grown in Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Andhra Pradesh. Pulses. Dal. Major pulses are moong, urad, gram and arhar. Moong, urad. Pulses are the major source of protein in a vegetarian diet. Do you know there are two types of diets? Vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Number 2, non-vegetarian. People who eat egg, fish or meat are called non-vegetarian. People who do not eat fish or meat are called vegetarian. Oil seeds. Main oil seeds. Main oil seeds are groundnut, soybean, mustard, sunflower, coconut and sesame. They are edible. These are used in cooking. Which one of these have you seen? Groundnut, mustard, soybean, sesame. Which of these is used in your home? Soybean, sesame. Sunflower and coconut. Do you know desi ghee we get it from milk? Can you name some other milk products? Spices. You know spices make our food tasty. Commonly used spices are chilies, cloves, long, turmeric, haldi, coriander, dhania. Chilies, coriander seeds, turmeric. Chilies, coriander seeds, turmeric. Cloves means lavang. This is reading of page number 47. Now please turn the page number 48. Fruits and vegetables. Lots of vegetables and fruits are grown in India. We eat different fruits in different seasons. Some important fruits are mango, banana, lychee, guava, pineapple, grapes, apples. Can you recognize all of them? Which is your favorite food? The art of planting fruit and vegetable is called horticulture. Pea, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal and potato are important vegetables. The art of planting fruits and vegetables is called horticulture. Pea, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal and potato are important vegetables. Which is your favorite vegetable? Vegetables: lychee, mango. Bananas, banana, guava, pineapple, grapes, apple. Do you know tomato and cucumber also fall in the category of fruits. Sweet dishes of India. The last item of your food is the sweet dish. Choose your favorite out of these: rasgulla, laddu, gulab jamun, Mysore pak, barfi, sevaiya. You can take glass of milk also after meal. So one activity is here. You have to do yourself. Fruit name first. Complete it. mango, mango. moong, moong dal. Mustard, mustard, mustard. Oil seed. Gulab jamun, Mysore pak, rasgulla, laddu, barfi, sevaiya. Now quick review of this chapter. Air, water and food are essential for our life. The variety in food is due to the variety in soils and climate. Rice and wheat are important staple foods of India. Jowar, bajra, maize and ragi are other crops. Pulses are an important parts of our food. They are major source of protein. People can be categorized as a vegetarian and non-vegetarian on the basis of food habits. Oil seeds are used as a cooking media. Main oil seeds are groundnut, mustard, soybean and sunflower. Spices make our food tasty. We have variety of fruits and vegetables. Rasgulla, gulab jamun, laddu, Mysore pak are commonly used sweets. Milk and milk products are part of our diet. Okay, this is reading of our chapter number 7, page number 44, 45, 46, 47 and 48 and 49 is reading we completed. Students, you have to read this chapter and underline hard words from your side. I am going to write hard words and send it to you. Okay, take care, bye bye, stay safe.